As Monday, December 25 unfolded, dense fog blanketed the city of Delhi, plunging visibility to zero and causing widespread disruptions to flight operations at the Indira Gandhi International Airport. According to the India Meteorological Department (IMD), the airport had been grappling with very dense fog since the early hours of the morning. The runway visual range (RVR) on all runways ranged between 125 to 175 meters, compelling the implementation of CAT-IIIB operations for both takeoffs and landings. As the day progressed, there was a noticeable improvement in the foggy conditions, and by around 9:45 am, runway visibility at the Indira Gandhi International Airport had increased to above 500 meters. However, the earlier adverse weather conditions had already taken their toll, causing substantial delays and diversions for flights throughout the morning. Reports indicated that both domestic and international flights experienced disruptions, with pilots facing challenging conditions. SpiceJet issued a cautionary statement alerting passengers to anticipate potential disruptions for both departures and arrivals due to the persistent fog. Airlines diligently urged passengers to stay informed about their flight status as the situation continued to evolve. For Delhi residents, the India Meteorological Department's update held no surprise, as they are accustomed to the heavy fogs that frequently blanket the city during the winter months every year. The weather department's forecast indicated dense fog in the morning, with temperatures ranging from a minimum of 8 degrees Celsius to a maximum of 25 degrees Celsius and a very low possibility of rainfall. Delhi's air quality on Monday lingered in the very poor category, with the air quality index hovering at 395, as reported by real-time data from the Safar app.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.